In order to register and then activate your 5G Cell Booster Pro device, there are a couple of things you need to first take care of. Let's start with the security settings on your local area network, which may need to be modified to allow your Cell Booster Pro to activate. Please refer to the 5G Cell Booster Pro product guide for detailed information on what changes might be necessary. Next up is downloading the AT&T Cell Booster Pro portal app, which is available from the Apple or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you can log into the AT&T Cell Booster portal by inputting the username and password you use to log into and manage your existing wireless accounts. Whether that's AT&T Premier, My AT&T, or FirstNet. If you will be managing your 5G Cell Booster Pro devices and don't have an AT&T login for your company, you can create a new username and password for logging into the Cell Booster Pro portal. Okay, now it's time to register the serial number of your 5G Cell Booster Pro device, which is easy to do using the QR code on the device, and the Cell Booster Pro app on your phone or tablet. If you created a new username and password for the portal, or have a My AT&T username and password, tap My AT&T to open the app. And if you are a FirstNet agency customer, please tap FirstNet Agency Paid. And finally, if you are a business customer or FirstNet subscriber using your Premier login, tap Enterprise or FirstNet Subscriber. All right. Now you can register the serial number of your first 5G Cell Booster Pro device. Tap Set up an AT&T Cell Booster Pro. Position your phone or tablet over the QR code on the side of the Cell Booster Pro device, and tap Scan QR code to populate the serial number fields in the portal. Done. Next, as the Cell Booster Pro admin, input your information, and then give your 5G Cell Booster Pro device a nickname. Tap Next to continue. Enter the location address where you are installing the 5G Cell Booster Pro device, and then give your location a nickname. If the information you entered is correct, tap Confirm. After successfully registering the device and service address, you will receive a confirmation email from AT&T that lets you know that your device was successfully registered. If you have other 5G Cell Booster Pro devices you need to register for your location, return to the portal homepage and tap the nickname of your location. To add another device, tap the plus sign, and like before, scan the QR code on your next Cell Booster Pro device to register its serial numbers. Give the device its own nickname, and tap Next to register it. Once you've registered all of your devices, you're ready for final setup and service activation, which you can either do yourself or have AT&T's professional installation team take care of for you. Call AT&T's Customer Care Center if you are interested in learning more about professional installation at 800-331-0500.